DJ Zinhle bags international endorsement deal. Sjoe. DJ Zinhle is gliding through 2018 in style. It's only 6 months into the year, and Zinhle has already released her first book, has graced the cover of Destiny magazine and has bagged a lucrative endorsement deal. All while being a hands-on mom and traveling the country to gigs as a DJ. Taking to Instagram on Tuesday, Zinhle announced that she was the new celebrity partner for eyewear brand, SUPRISE SA. Zinhle joins other celebrity partners Jamie Foxx, Haley Steinfeld, and Ashley Benson. Talk about securing those coins.